I recording?
Also, I'm only saying it because I know last week
It is recording.
Alright. And I'm dead serious every time we stop.
Okay.
Let's double check.
Do you want to stop more often?
Yeah, maybe.
Did your dad text you?
No. Let's go.
Are you gonna do your little?
Oh yeah. 3, 2, 1. All right.
Who wants to go first?
I think you do. The snow right here is very powdery.
That way, right?
Yeah, yeah,
I gotta say too, I know we haven't been out of this long, but I actually do feel a lot better today than yesterday.
Recording,
Yeah.
question mark?
Yes.
Yep.
What about me?
Yeah.
Yeah? You are too.
All right.
That's good.
Want someone else want to go first? I hope first.
Just double checking.
You're the only one who hasn't gone first here.
What?
You're the only one who hasn't gone first here.
Wait, let me just check one more. Yeah, I did. Perfect. Okay.
Go ahead.
You good? Oh. Yeah.
Huh?
GoPro check.
You're good?
You're good.
All right.
Onward and downward.
That's basically our motto, and I love it. Oop.
Yeah. Cam check.
Good?
You're closer? Yep, you're good.
Okay.
Someone else want to go first now?
I'll go. Wait, where are we going? Bittersweet?
No, go
Or still
easy.
straight?
Usual way.
Okay, okay. Cam check.
Good?
You're good.
Okay.
All right.
Who's your first? You okay?
Yeah. There we go.
No, she said you first.
Me first. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
This is funny. This reminds me of a starting gate. You're supposed to Oh!
Whoa! I don't know what that was. That was
Camera.
interesting. Oh.
You get like a heavy duty thumb screw or something?
I've only got 2 minutes.
I know. I meant like can one get one?
Maybe. I wouldn't be surprised. All right, I tightened it up.
Good?
Yeah, you're recording.
Yes, you are recording.
All right.
Andrew first still.
All right. I guess that red didn't really count, did it?
Well, I mean, your side didn't really have much to capture because you were first. I got you going down.
Right. Well, I meant like I didn't go very far.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, so you gotta keep going.
Yeah.
Oh, that's scary. Are you going down and to the right?
Yep. All right.
Ah,
Still good.
still good.
All right. Still good.
Still good.
All right. Who's up?
Rahul?
Okay.
Uh-oh. I hope that guy doesn't think it's... I don't know. Maybe it's supposed to be pointed like that. I don't know.
I'll just tell him.
All right.
Your camera's down. Just letting you know.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Thanks, man.
All right. Me first. I did it again. I didn't quite see you wipe out there, but I guess you did.
Yeah.
You okay, Andrew?
Yeah. Still good?
Still good.
All right.
All right. That was a lot of fun there.
Yes.
Still down that way?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
All right.
I think there's only one way to go from
Yeah,
here.
it's like super cool.
Oh, is there something up to the right?
Train, choo choo.
Choo choo. All right, let's go.
Cam check. You're good.
You're good.
All right.
All right. All right, all right. All right, all right, all right. Look at the bottom of the green. That's about that, isn't it?
Oh, sorry. My bad. I tried to stop, but kept sliding.
You are good, sir.
You are also good, sir.
All right.